All right, back we go, doing some more videos, checking out some of these shipping stocks which have moved, and now they are not moving. So let's take a look and see what's happening with some of these stocks. What do I have at tops? Start with tops. I've called these last 2 months. I said, watch for the move. The move here is a rounding motion here, $1 hold. You have the 175 break. Look at this dip. Total U shape, you could call it. Round up bottom. You could also call it cup and handle. Right here. Then it started to grind up. Look at this, big moves up. Really crescendoed on this candlestick. Right here, the 375-ish, 389 on this bar right here. So, that was the big move here. Get up to near 4. And now what are we doing? Well, small caps are getting crushed. The market, NASDAQ's getting crushed. Other parts of the market, not as bad, but I said on this has got to hold. Your 20, 13 EMA, we're caught in between here. See the sandwich? It's like one of them Oreos. You at the top, the bottom, in between. Now what are we going to do? 225 tried to hold, trying to come back. If that don't hold, the 175, that's the breakout level. That will become huge support. Now, we're at a 42 in stochastics. That's in between. 50 is your over under. When you're above 50, it's pretty bullish. Still below, you're getting bearish. So, in the next few days is going to be a telltale sign. Are we going lower still, or are we going to break back up? Maybe this is a shorter term correction. We'll see. So we'll see on this what happens here. So if we do break back up, watch for the retest eventually of 375. Short term here, there's 225 held, which is good for now. So that's got to hold. If that don't, you're looking at 175 on tops. That's what you're looking at this point. So that's where we stand on that. CTRM. Castor Maritime. This is another one, a classic move here. Bottomed out November, December, started to grind. 25 cents, 50 cents, 75. Went all the way to high as 195. Then we came back down, tried to bounce. And again, look at this. I said, watch that dollar. Dollar on penny stocks is extremely important. You're over under. If you can stay over that, you're pretty bullish. If not, you're going back. So, this is caught in between too. So if this doesn't hold, there's a breakout level for this too. 75 cents goes that line all the way back to June, July. So if this holds here and we bounce, that would be pretty good buy. 42.54 again. You're caught in between stochastics. Looks like it's trying to cross back a little bit. We'll see. If it does break back up, look for that 175 eventually to test again near 2. And you see it's stair stepping, dip buying, and then we're on the other side right now. Is this going to come back all the way back to a quarter? I don't think it's coming back that far. So right now we've retraced back 195, 1. It's going to come back into this zone. 75 doesn't hold. Then you're looking further. If 75 didn't hold, then I could see 50 to 25 cents here, 50, 25. So, it'll be the next few days and next few weeks is going to be big. Ship. Ship's a big one too. I call this at 50 cents. Right here, 60 just came up, $1, back and forth. Big move up to 225 plus. Came back on this gap. Hanging cross right now. It's really hanging. It's trying to hold on to this 125 level. This is another one, 32, even more oversold. Trying to cross. You can see here. See the space is getting tighter. So this is trying to come up. Now, if 125 don't hold, right here's your 1 zone again. I would like this actually to come to 1. That would be great support. It'd be probably a good buy there. And then we can come back up eventually 125 and 225 longer term. So this is another one major caught in between. And it depends what's going to happen here. Is it going to go further down? We're going to bounce here in the market, or deeper correction. So sort of caught at this point. We look at the 30-minute on this. See the 30-minute, the big run up. Then we gap down, tried to bounce, didn't work. You can draw a line too this way, trend line. And see this, it's got to get over that trend line. So it's got to get over this 130-ish, sort of going sideways right now. So yeah, and if you're looking for a shorter term, look at your like 30-minute to 4 hours. See where you stand on that. There's that. North Atlantic tank shippers. I don't think I've done this one that many times. All right, so this one, had the big run up back in April, came all the way back down. Chop back and forth, found support at 3. Bounced up at 375. And then came back down again like the others. Big cross here, trying to come back up. Touch 310, bounce. It's at 33.61 stochastic, so it's oversold too, but not extreme yet. This could fall to 3. That will be the first, major support at this point. And then if not, look at this here. Wick, right at 275. I would look for on NAT. Then, back down there, then you got to work your way back up to 375. If this holds at 3, then you're just probably going to bounce eventually up to 375 from there. So, a lot of them are caught in between. They're on a downtrend from their tops, and it's just a matter of where they're going to go from here. What's the next move on this? So, it depends on the market. Small caps, Nasdaq's really crushed. Dow Jones a little better. SPY not as bad also. And let me see small caps. Small caps came back. See, small caps have been on a run since November. Look at this. Dip here, January, dip February, small dip. Right now it's again holding this trend line. Look at this. 1, almost 2, pretty close, 3, 4 now. Bounce right up. And it's forming one of these straight line moves, like very tight, straight down. So not oversold yet either. It's still actually overbought. 66 is still overbought. All right, so that's it on these shipping stocks. And they're all pulling back. Just depends where they pull back. Are they extremely oversold yet? No, they are oversold, some of them, but they can go further down. So I wouldn't just jump in if you're swinging too for like a swing trade. Day trades are different, but when this was down here, this was a buy because you're oversold, and you see the pattern is double bottom like the other ones. And like on ship, when you saw this channel and this big space here, the gap, you saw this grinding up. That was the first sign. Then you start to move. And the market was strong. So it's a combination of a few things. The market's strong. All these stocks were moving, the penny stocks. Now they're pulling back. So now, the party is over right now, at least. So we'll see what happens. All right, please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trades. Smash the like button. Leave comments. Stock twits, Mike Heyman Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank98. Twitter, Mike J Trades. That's it for now. Peace.